Now, once we have our microscope set up, plugged into the USB port, no problem, come into here. Come into plugable.com pages microscope drivers, and here we've got everything we need to get started. We've got the 250 USB microscope. We can download the getting started guide there. We've got it for Windows or for Mac, so I've clicked it on the Mac. That downloads, and then that gives us, we go into our apps, and that's the Plugable digital viewer. Literally one click on that, and that shows us. Now, it might not pick up the microscope straight away. It can pick up, so I've got the FaceTime, I've got the Nexigo, and the digital microscope. I had to click on that when I first did it. We can control our resolution there as well. We've got our timed shots, durations, resolution. We can control our type, MOV or MP4, and where everything gets saved to. So just when you're happy with all that, click apply, and that shows you exactly what we've got. So here we can take a photo, we can take a time-lapse photo, we can take video. We've got some help here, but as well as taking a photo from just that button, also on the top here, we can use that, just click that button. Also on the microscope here, we can adjust our brightness up and down. It's got built-in light at the bottom there, you can see. And then here is where we rotate our amazing focus. So as you can see, so I'm focusing in. I've got a English 20p piece there. So yeah, we can do that. And then we can actually just put a bit more light on. And yeah, it's looking good. As you can see, you can move it around. Get my big finger in the way. But yeah, that is quite amazing. All sorts of things we can now look at under the microscope. We can bring right in. So we can actually detach, because it's just held in by two little holes there. We can actually detach it and come right in, and then go really close in and focus on the Queen's crown. Look, there we go. Yeah, amazing. That's going to be so much fun. Can't wait to see what else we can play with the microscope. Just zoom it back out so we get nice and crisp, lovely crisp image. Superb, absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoy it.